Hey there, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. Is your furnace trying to tell you something? Here are 5 signs it needs some love before winter hits. Let's make sure you're not left in the cold. Ever hear a weird banging noise at 3 a.m. and wonder if your furnace is about to give up on you? These sounds often mean something's loose or needs to be checked out by a pro immediately. Next, uneven heating. If some rooms are colder than others, your furnace might not be doing its job efficiently. It could be anything from a clogged filter or an issue with the ducts. This might seem a small inconvenience, but it could be a sign your furnace is struggling and needs attention before it gets worse. Third, look at your energy bills. If you've noticed they're higher than usual, but you're not using more heat, your furnace might be working overtime to compensate for a problem. Another sign is short cycling. When your furnace keeps turning on and off quickly, it's usually a sign of overheating or has a sensor issue. Finally, if your furnace is over 15 years old, it's a good idea to schedule a maintenance check even if it seems fine. Older systems often have hidden issues that could leave you out in the cold. By catching these signs early, you could save yourself a total furnace breakdown and a freezing home this winter. Hit the subscribe button for more tips from Golden Rule, and let's keep your home warm and safe.